Hi, I'm just going to show you quickly how you can force copy any Google Doc that students want to open. So if you look up here, the last word says edit. If you switch that very last word to the word copy instead of edit, when they try to open this link, it will force a copy into their Google Drive. But this is a really long link, but you can make a copy of it and take it to something like tinyURL and paste it. Just remember at the very end you want to change that to copy and make the tinyURL. Has been linked. So here it is. Okay, so here is your tinyURL. And if we were to put it into a plain old Google Doc, come on, open up so I can paste in there. Didn't I copy it? I felt like I had copied it. Copy to clipboard. Okay, come back here. Okay, now when you click the link and you try to open it, it will force the students to make a copy, and that puts it automatically into their Google Drive. And then everybody will have their own copy of that Google document to work on. So I hope that's what you needed. Thanks.